Every day, the 120,000 people of NTT DATA work together to enable digital transformation. But we don't do it for just anyone. We do it for the innovators, the game changers, the dreamers, the rebels with a cause. We do it for the financial institutions protecting their customers against security breaches, the doctors implementing new life-saving procedures, the government agencies empowering first responders during natural disasters, the manufacturing companies taking advantage of cutting-edge digital technologies. We do it for them in more than 50 countries around the world. And we're ready to do it for you. It all starts here with NTT DATA.